we are. It is Sunday and we're still in Cancun. This morning our excursion is a yacht. Look behind me, you see the beautiful yachts. We're gonna go, there is food provided, snacks provided. We're taking, I believe, a 4-hour tour. I believe we're gonna also do a little snorkeling. We will stop off at one of the islands, go do a little shopping, just having a great day here in Cancun. Wish you were here yachting with us. There it is. All right. So guys, we've entered the yacht and this is our first experience here. We're looking around. Common area upstairs. Let's come to bedroom number 1. Looks like a queen size bed. Nice little area. Here's another bedroom. You can look out up top with a view of the sky, the beautiful sky. The squad.
Like a bedroom in there. No way. Let's go see.
Okay. So guys, and then the music, you will be the DJ.
Okay.
You will be the DJ.
Wait, you have speakers, or do we need to have our own?
We have a speaker everywhere. You guys
It's about to get real trappish.
I got a playlist. I think we all do. We all do.
We got speakers in front, back, and outside.
Okay.
She got that $1 million mouth, ooh, spins and dying on the beat, say, ooh, grabbing on my tootie.
Do it again. Okay. When I do 3, that's when we start.
She said I got too many hoes. She said I got too many shows. So she
With daddy. You gotta hold on.
You can't even booty pop with it.
Girl, I must warn you. I said something strange in my mind. Yo, situation is good because we're running out of time. It's also relationships they seem from the start. It's also
Wait till we break.
when love is not together from the heart.
It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get out of my head. Miss her, kiss her, love
Right,
her.
boy, you did.
That girl is poison. Never trust a big butt to smile. Girl is
You know, poison deadly, moving it slow. Looking for a mellow fella like the boat getting paid. Lay go better lay low. Scheming on house money and the whole show. The low pro she be cutting like an afro. So just saying to you, I'm sorry. Either one of you, how do you know? How do you know? Me and the crew used to do.
Oh no!
Okay, here you go. I was at the bar, shaking steak and plate the ball. That night, I played the ball. Checking out the fellas, the highs and lows. Keeping one eye open, still clocking the holes. Got the wrist, poison as can be. High power chest. Michelle Thomas here, and I'm running the show. Rick Bell, Bill DeVoe. Now you know.
Oh, you got it? Cameron.
Yo, slick.
Cameron.
Go.
It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't
Steaming out of East Mujeres. On our way to the spot for about 15-20 minutes. Let the kids get in the water and snorkel. And then we heading on back in. Tasha G has given it the college try. She gonna take an L on this one. Say she taking an L on this one. But we are having a blast. Tell me how come I keep forgetting we're not in love anymore. I keep forgetting things will never be the same again. I keep forgetting